One of the most exciting and kind of surprising things that Apple announced recently is the addition to a hearing aid and more health-centric features for the AirPods Pro 2 specifically. Well, with iOS 18.1 dropping next week, we figured it's a good time to show you how to activate that and use that hearing test to see exactly how well these work. So in this video, we're not going to make it very technical. We're going to show you a quick rundown of how to initiate it, basically. It's going to take sealing your ears with both earphones and running through some prompts on the screen. It's simple. It is very well set up. Let's jump into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is obviously make sure you have your AirPod Pros 2 in hand and open up the cover and set them down. Grab your iPhone. It should automatically connect and log into your device. Once you're actually logged in, you're going to want to go to Settings, and you'll get that new pop-up here for your AirPods. And as you can see right on top here, you have that new hearing health breakdown. So you have hearing protection, hearing assistance, and take a hearing test. So hearing protection, if you click on this, it has environmental noise, loud sound reduction. It automatically is on by default. You have your old ear tip fit test and about hearing protection, as well as headphone safety on iPhone. So what you're going to want to look here for is obviously going to be the hearing test and all that. So we're going to go back, check out hearing assistance now, and this is where you're going to see your new breakdown. It says AirPods Pro can use the results of a hearing test to make adjustments that support your hearing. You can take a hearing test using AirPods Pro or use an audiogram from an audiologist. So hearing aid, if you have mild or moderate hearing loss, the AirPods Pro can work as a hearing aid to boost voices and sounds around you, as well as media assist. And it says AirPods Pro can make adjustments that improve the clarity of music, video, and calls. So that's exactly what we're obviously going to do here. We're going to select take a hearing test, and it says test your hearing. Hearing loss is common and can get worse over time. A 5-minute test can identify if you have hearing loss. If you have mild or moderate hearing loss, AirPods Pro provide hearing assistants that make voices, music, and the sounds around you easier to hear. We'll say get started. So it'll ask you for a couple of details here. Your age, are you currently experiencing allergies, a cold, or infections to your ear? We're going to say no. Have you been in loud environments like a concert in the last 24 hours? No. Obviously, these questions are very important, or else your results can be skewed if you were surrounded by louder music recently, or obviously you're not feeling well. So once you say next, it's going to ask you to place those earpods in your ears, or your AirPods in your ears. They are now in. We'll say okay. Next. And here it goes. It says find a quiet place where you can focus and take the test. So it'll go through its first check. It's playing a light tune of music. And you can see it says the fit is good and it's quiet enough to test your hearing. Don't remove or adjust your AirPods until you finish the hearing test. It is automatically going to set your phone to do not disturb. And it's showing it'll play test tones at different volumes and frequencies. You can play a sample or continue on. We'll say next. During the test, listen carefully and tap the screen each time you hear a tone. So as you can see, it took about 2.5 minutes or so to just do the left ear, and anytime there was background noise, as you can see at the end there, it actually paused the test just to make sure it was completely silent around. We'll go ahead and now continue and do the right ear. Okay, so as you can see, it says test complete. It automatically turned off the do not disturb mode, and we can go say show results. You can see here your test indicates little to no hearing loss, and it gives you the decibel reading on each ear. And you can see ours is not identical. One is 13, one is 9. No changes needed. Keep your hearing healthy. And that's literally all you have to do. So it's very nice to see that something like this is integrated now in its basically standard AirPods integration here. So for the settings, that's all you need to do. Let us know your results down below. If you are known to need any hearing aids at all, if you try to use these, if they seem like it would be very beneficial, keep us posted. Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.